Abra Yarn Cabra! Monsters, wizards, witches, get ready for our spooky Halloween yarn collection. Welcome back to a new Hobbii video. In today's episode, we'll have a look at the newly arrived Hair Rising Halloween edition yarns. From gorgeous cake yarns to glitter sock yarns, these colors and qualities will scare away all your whips and make you want to dive right into some fun Halloween projects. Let's start off with the Halloween sock wools. With the Halloween sock wools, we're looking at two qualities. A regular one and one with glitter bling bling bling. You can of course create some really funny looking socks for all the monsters at home with these yarns. But who's to say you have to stop here? This yarn could make a great sweater, and who's to say you can't mix the colors to make it a really personalized color combination? Get ready for a spooktacular Halloween season. Next up, we have the Universe Halloween yarns. We have a very thrilling regular Universe yarn, we have a bewitching sock yarn, and a beautiful Universe XL for you. With both the regular Universe as well as the gorgeous Universe XL, we are now entering the realm of beautiful shawls, sweaters, beanies, and much more. Trick or treat yourself with a pair of scary good socks of Universe sock yarn with bewitchingly crazy color combinations and a little bit of extra Halloween magic. Universe Halloween sock wool consists of superwash treated wool, polyamide, as well as polyester, which is this beautiful glitter thread. It has a yardage of 100 grams and 420 meters, 3.5 ounces on 459 yards. Universe and Universe XL consist of a premium acrylic with a glitter thread of polyester. The softness of the acrylic makes it scarily light and fluffy. So watch out! Ready for some beautiful cake yarns? Beware of Dahlia Halloween. This yarn is not for the faint of heart. The 4 thin cotton strands with gradual color changes result in the prettiest, or should I say spookiest, play of color in your knit or crochet projects. Use this yarn for the craziest Halloween costumes, or make some unique accessories for a costume you've bought. It comes in large 7-ounce skeins, so you only need approximately 1 skein for a shawl. Twister Halloween is our next and final Halloween yarn of this episode. Just like our regular Twister, this really soft cake yarn of a whooping 1094 yards or a kilometer has beautiful color transitions that develop into spooky wild color combinations, for example when used for a scarf. The hair rising cotton combined with eerie acrylic makes it terribly exciting to work with and results in a lighter and more solid end result. So, who says you can't go trick-or-treating? You can definitely treat yourself with some of those amazing Halloween Hobbii edition yarns. The link to the yarns is down here in the description box. Please also leave a comment and tell us what you have in mind to crochet or knit with those gorgeous spooky yarns. Click the subscribe button so you will never miss a thing from our YouTube channel. And then I wish you all a happy Halloween. Bye bye! Woo-hoo-hoo.